Yo guys, what's up? Get this tissue out of the way. How y'all doing? So welcome back to another video on this channel. So today we got an unboxing video. What's in the box? Well, all I know is that it's meant to be inside this box, alright? So any guesses so far? I mean, if I know it's a tarantula, but what type of tarantula is in here? Just scared that it may be it's here, right? So get this out of the way, and please be a real king. Nice. So please be a real king. All right, good luck, my king. Oh my god. So this is my friend's parcel. He sent it over to me. This is actually a mature male. So thank you, my bro. So he wants me to pair with my female. So yeah, so we're going to see how this goes. This is, any guesses what tarantula is this? I mean, you'll be able to see. Oh, you can see the legs. Right, so hopefully this guy doesn't bolt, doesn't run up. Can you see? Can you guys see? It's right there. Wait, let me get my makeup brush. So I attached it to my thongs. Okay, he's alive. I guess he's alive. How do I get it out? He's right there. Okay, he's alive, but right, he let him come out on his own. See, he's coming out, right? So let him come out on his own, and let me try to get this. He's probably stressed out a bit because, you know, he's been in the post, he's been in the mail for so long. He's been in the parcel for so long. So my English sucks at the moment right now. So if he can just get his leg out of his enclosure, just get. Okay, I changed this to another angle because my phone decided to stop recording and this tarantula just walked in. So I'm just going to pull out this entire tissue. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is unravel the tarantula tissue. I'm gonna unravel the tissue. My goodness, my English is not on point today. So sorry you guys had to witness my blabbering of my English. So one tissue is out. Thongs. Hopefully he doesn't bolt. Oh god, it's out of frame. Wait. The tissue. I'm trying to tear the tissue apart. There we go. Okay, he's already out. So what I'm gonna do, okay, slowly try to like prod it up. Hopefully it doesn't tag me. Wow. Can you hear that sound? Can you hear that sound? Oh god, no. Okay, he's not happy at all. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take these tongs right here, take this end. He's not so skittish, more on the defensive side. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take precaution by adding this cover over here. Oh god, can you hear that sound? Can you hear that sound actually? So this is called stridulation, is when the tarantula moves its fangs and makes that noise. So you'll be like, so this is how it makes noise. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to, get him out of the tissue, unless if I, oh god, oh no, wait, let me see. Okay, so move him in a bit. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Right. Hopefully it doesn't climb up the enclosure. Oh no. Okay. So what I'll do is just take this tissue out. Oh no. He bit the tissues while it's in the enclosure. And this is what I get. Unfortunately, wait. I just took out the salt by mistake. Okay. So I'll just take this out. And we are pretty much done, I guess. I'm just gonna, try to push them in a bit. So it just look nice. Although it's a male and like it's gonna die soon. Not say die soon, they live shorter than the female, so yeah, but then still, two reasons. I do not have another enclosure for it, plus it looks cool. As you can see, looks nice, right? I approve. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video, right? Take care, love y'all, peace.